And that's what attracts people to you. So if you're struggling with attracting new clients, that's what you need to be doing. And that is free. So start with the free stuff. Use these AI tools. Don't. What's up, Boss fam? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I am back. Finally, in the flesh. I'm beautiful again. Got my face back. Still talk a little funny, but your boy is back. Today I wanted to get right back into it. We're going right back into providing a bunch of value. You know how I do. I don't try to sell you guys a whole lot. I do sell my time if you guys want to talk to me directly about your business in particular. But everything you need to know, I promise, is in this channel. I have been in this cleaning business and cleaning industry for the last 8 years, and I'm good. I'm really good. For those of you who are new here, you found a great channel. You found a really good channel. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I am probably the best cleaning business YouTube channel on the internet. Kudos to you for finding this channel. I started my cleaning company about 8 years ago. I was homeless, and I was able to build it to the point that it is now. I documented my entire journey, and I don't think anyone else has done that. And who also does this coaching thing, this cleaning business YouTube. I don't think you can find any footage of any of those other guys actually running a cleaning business. So, and if you can, then those are people that you should be watching. Those are people you should be looking at. The people who you've seen running their cleaning business, starting their cleaning business, even more so if they started from a place similar to where you started. Some people had some money and they were able to start by building a franchise. That wasn't an option for me. I was homeless. I was homeless and in debt. I had $0. So if that sounds like you, or if you are closer to that than you are closer to having $10,000, $20,000 to buy a franchise, then this is probably a good channel for you to watch, because that's exactly what I did. And so I know it's possible, and I keep things very, very simple, because that's what I've learned over the years, is that doing business is extremely simple. There's just some major shifts in mentality that need to be had. And speaking of shifts in mentality, today I want to talk about AI and this whole craze of AI in our industry, and things are taking over. We got things like, robots cleaning bathrooms for us. We got ChatGPT creating articles and putting out a bunch of information. I don't want you guys to feel like you guys are getting left behind. So I need you guys to be paying attention to these things, because once these shifts happen, we move. The entire world moves. We move past things. So ChatGPT is probably going to have it to where we don't have writers anymore, and so we'll have prompt engineers and things like that. So got a lot of value stacked up for this video, so I want you guys to stick around. Again, congratulations for finding the channel. Like this video so that it gets pushed to more people. The YouTube algorithm loves likes. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Like I said, this is a great channel, and the best thing you can be doing for your business is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means learning every day. You're always going to be learning, especially as the CEO of a business. There's never going to be a day where you're not trying to learn something new. So subscribe to this channel so that some of that information just comes to you automatically. Hit the bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video.
Look, this for all my boss things. Go do your boss thing. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers, and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing them. This for all my boss things. Go do your boss.
Yeah, first order of business, man. Shout out to y'all. Shout out to the Boss family. We're like 7.7K subscribers now. I think we're well on our way to 10K, and we'll do a celebration once we get to 10K. Because of y'all, man. Y'all have been such an incredible community, and some of the words of encouragement that I have received over the last few months, especially while I've been going through this injury and some tough times. I have no words. It's so hard for me to even express how you guys make me feel. I love you for it, and so it pushes me to continue to try to provide as much value as possible. Speaking of that, let's get right into it. The most valuable thing I think I can say about AI is that you guys need to embrace it. Do not run from it. It's early. We're still early in the development of AI. It still has a long way to go, but it's here and it's not going anywhere. This is what I want you guys to do. If you haven't already, open up ChatGPT. Go to OpenAI's website, click on ChatGPT, and I want you to yourself, don't hire somebody, don't have your assistant do it. You go to OpenAI, open ChatGPT, just play around with it, because you will start to see the power that it has. And it's hard for even me to conceptualize how much power something like this actually has. Not only can you prompt it to write out whatever piece of information that you can write out, but it also writes code. So if you need to write code for an app or something for your business, maybe you can partner with a developer that actually knows code, or if you have a background in coding, then dollars in cost of trying to develop something for your business down to free, or whatever the cost of working with your partner is going to be. These are possibilities that are now here because of ChatGPT. That's crazy. Let's bringing it down a level. If you are not posting content every day, which I'm also not, so don't think I'm just beating up on you. In your cleaning business, for your cleaning business, you're not providing value for your end user. You're not making posts on your social media every day. You're not making posts on your Google My Business every day. You're losing. You are losing market share by the minute, by the day. Same with me. I'm good at sales. I've kind of slacked off on marketing, but you need to be marketing. Just like me, I need to get back to marketing. You will see the increase of content that I have coming out across all my channels, because now I'm back in the flesh. You need to be putting out content every day. And now that things like ChatGPT are in existence, you have no excuse. There's no excuse for not providing value. There's no excuse for not connecting with your end user. There's no excuse for not providing value for your end user. You have things that can write content for you. You can prompt ChatGPT to say, hey, I want to write an article about whatever, the benefits of HEPA filtration, and it will spit you out an article. And then you just read through that article, make sure it's accurate, make sure it sounds like you put in your own flavor, your own style to make sure it doesn't sound like a robot. And there you go, there you have it. There's an entire article. As we talked about before, how I like to do media, you turn articles into several different tweets, several different Instagram posts, have it write you a script, or turn that article into a YouTube script and make a YouTube video about it. ChatGPT can set all of that stuff up for you. So I want you guys to go into that program and start playing around with it. Also, another one is Midjourney. So Midjourney is basically like ChatGPT, but for pictures and images. If you haven't started playing around with that, then go ahead and play around with that. You can prompt it to make whatever you need. You grab different graphics for social media posts. The creativity, the ability of it, the capability of these programs mixed with your creativity makes it endless. It's boundless. There's no reason why we shouldn't all have enough content to post and provide value to our end user. I can't say that enough, because a lot of people are still like curious and like confused about how this internet marketing thing works. It works like this, like how you see me coming to you, making content, pictures, video, written word, and putting it on the internet, providing value to people who own cleaning companies. And in exchange, they reach out to me, or they buy my services, or I build brand. That's how business works now. That's what you have to do. It's the reason why you guys are buying coaching and buying programs and buying courses. It's because you watch the information, the pictures, the video, the written word that these people put out, and that's what attracts people to you. So if you're struggling with attracting new clients, that's what you need to be doing, and that is free. So start with the free stuff. Use these AI tools. Don't let it fear you away. I don't care if they are robots that are cleaning bathrooms for you. You have to figure out how to buy one of those robots so that you can provide that service. Appreciate you guys being here. Like this video so that it gets pushed to other people in the industry and they can also get some of this value as well. I really hope this brought you guys some value. Subscribe to the channel. Again, like I said, you found a great channel. I don't try to sell you guys a whole lot. Just try to provide as much value as I can. And the best thing that you can be doing for your business is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means subscribing to channels like this. Hit the bell to get notified next time I drop a video. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.